Hey guys, welcome to my channel, and in this video I'm going to do the unboxing of OPPO A55 smartphone. So you can see the box of OPPO A55. So now quickly open it up. So here we get the white box, and if you open it, here we get the small box which is also in white color. Okay, and let's see what else we get inside it. So here we get the semiconductor pin. There's the reading manuals and warranty card, and guys, this is the transparent back case. You can see, lightweight. Okay, keep all this on the side, and guys, here's the font itself. You can see here's the font itself. It is in a steady black color. The rainbow blue color is also available. Okay, we come to the font later. Let's see what else we get inside the box. So here we get the USB Type-C to Type-A cable, and if we talk about this, so guys, this is the 18-watt fast charger you get in the box, which is a really good thing. Okay, that's all we get. Keep this aside and come to the font. So you can see here's the font itself. Okay, now remove its plastic cover. So you can see the font. Okay, if we talk about the design, here you can see it is a shades design. You can see stylish shades design. You can see, and you can see it is only 8.40 mm thick. Yes, it has a slim design. You can see. Yep. You can say it is a slim and comfortable. You can see the 3D curve design. You can see the 3D curve design. Yep, guys, it has a striking look. So you can see, no doubt, font design looks good. Okay, and if we talk about its physical overview, in top we get nothing. On this side we get the volume up and down, and here we get the SIM tray. So now quickly eject it. So guys, this is a really good thing. It supports it has triple card slot. You can insert 2 nano SIM and 1 micro SD card, which is a really good thing. And on bottom it has a 3.5 mm headphone jack. Here we get the dual main microphone, and here we get the USB Type-C port, and here's the main speakers, and here we get the side mounted fingerprint with the power on off key. And if we talk about the back, here we get the triple rear camera, 50 megapixel, 2 megapixel and 2 megapixel with the dual LED flash over there. You can see 50 megapixel triple camera, and here we get the branding of OPPO over there. And on front it has 16 megapixel punch hole front camera over there. Okay, so now quickly boot this up and set up the device. Okay, by the time it boots up and I set it up, I will give you its configuration overview. It has a MediaTek Helio G35 12nm octa-core processor. It has 6.51 inches IPS LCD display. It comes with 128.6 and 64 4GB internal storage variant. It has dual nano SIM with dedicated micro SD card slot support. If we talk about the camera, it comes with triple rear camera, 50 megapixel f1.8 aperture, 2 megapixel macro and 2 megapixel with wide lens, and it has 16 megapixel f2.2 aperture front camera. And if we talk about the battery, it runs on 5000 mAh battery which supports 18-watt fast charging. And if we talk about the software, it is running on Android 11 based on ColorOS 11.1. And for better security, it has side mounted fingerprint and face unlock. So you can see I have set up the device. This is the main screen of OPPO A55 smartphone. Okay, and if we slide from top, we get the notification center. Here we get the helpful quick settings, and the brightness adjustment is also available there. You can see, and the peak brightness of this phone is 500 nits. Yes guys, the peak brightness is of 500 nits. Okay, set it to normal. So you can see, and if we from bottom we get the app drawer, and here some applications are available. Okay, and if we go in settings, let's quickly check out how much storage we get out of 64 GB. So here you can see 17.5 GB used out of 64 GB. Okay, now go back, and if we go in about phone, so you can see the device name, baseband and color version. Colorwise version is version 11.1. Android version, it is running on latest Android 11. And if we talk about the Android security update, it is of September 5, 2021. And you can see the RAM 4 GB, the processor MediaTek Helio G35 12nm octa-core processor, and the device storage is also shown here. 46.5 GB available out of 64 GB. Yep guys, the phone UI is running really smooth, you can see. No doubt. Yep, the UI running is really smooth. You can see. The phone UI is running really smooth. Okay, now if we talk about its camera, yes, it has a triple rear camera. So here are some shots I took with OPPO A55 smartphone in different lighting conditions with the different modes. And now if we talk about its side mounted fingerprint and face unlock performance, let's quickly check this out. If we talk about the side mounted fingerprint, I put finger and it unlock the phone. Try it many times. Okay guys, as you can see, the side mounted fingerprint is really very fast and responsive. You can see I put and it quickly unlock the phone. Here you can see. Okay, so the side mounted fingerprint is really very fast and responsive. And if we talk about its face unlock, okay, see, okay, and it quickly unlock the phone. Okay, now phone look at me, okay, and quickly unlock itself. Just look, and it quickly unlock. So guys, the side mounted fingerprint and face unlock performance here you can see are really very fast and responsive. I put and it quickly, here you can see, quickly unlock the phone. So guys, this is the unboxing of OPPO A55 smartphone. Guys, if you have any particular question about this device, let me know in comment section below. Please like, share, subscribe and click on bell icon for latest updates.